So this is our first page of the business card. So I was editing something actually earlier on before the recorder stopped. So as you can see at the top part, we have an field profile. So you can click that and this is where it leads you. Or you go through the other step whereby you load your app and you locate the profile button. So you edit the profile and mine has already been edited. As you can see, the name, the website, the company tagline, all slogan. So I also uploaded my what's it called, my logo. So you can upload as many logos as you like as at now. So you just upload and you make use of it if you like. So click on save, then start designing. So these templates we'll be having here, you can decide on any one to choose. And you can decide to create a new one. So creating a new one is actually more simple and just that is a little bit technical for beginners. So all you need to do is package yourself well, try your best to make sure you have something. And creating a new design for yourself, it's very, very sweet, very, very interesting for, for a graphic designer, somebody who is already good at graphics and, who can create backgrounds or get backgrounds for himself or herself for the design also. So anyone that we have pro or star on, it depends on your application. There's some with pro, there's some with star. Look, the star logo means you are going to advanced stage of it. So all I need to do is just select anyone I like. Okay, let me go for something of this nature. I'm going for this John Matthew. So this is it. So I was talking about icons. When you click on icon, this is what we have, all those social media accounts. So I just want to add my WhatsApp, and you try to locate whatever you want to add. This is WhatsApp logo. You might not see it, but you need to change the color to the pre-existing ones. I have blue already. So once you click on it, there is a next button for you to edit. X button to leave the previous page. So this is my WhatsApp readjusted, and this is it. So all I need to do is click on the text you're seeing, the T you're seeing. So I'll edit the number, just include my number. Okay, then click on the apply button, and there it is. This number is just too big, so I need to resize also. So from resizing, let's see, is it also in line with the other tests? No or yes, but you can always confirm how. All you need to do is click on this. You have 23, this is 17, and it's still bigger than them somehow. But you can just leave it like that. So it is due to the test format. So this is the name. I can decide to edit test. I can decide to increase the size through this form, or simply do it. Increase the size through through text, apply, then through font style. Yeah. So when you click on font style, we have different font styles. Font style. So you click on font style. So this is the font styles we have. Once you select one, it's going to change. So you select your choice apart from the ones that you have pro, unless you want to get it, like you want to download it. So I'm using this. The CEO automatically becomes smaller. We can also give it something much more better. So as I said earlier, the name should always be the one to appear the most. So I can always edit all these phone numbers by giving them a different font. I'm not buying anything. Thank you. No. So I can give it this, but this is just too bold. I can decide to no, all these ones are not good. Okay, let's just assume this is cool and okay. So all you need to do is you save the template. As you can see, this is download button. I can download. This is it. So sorry, I didn't show you the back. You can always view the front and the back side. It depends on your settings, right? So this is the back side, as you can see. This is what will be appearing at the back, and you can always edit the back side also. So you can download the front side, you can download the back side, and you can convert to PDF straight. That one is what is the pro version. So the professional version, the advanced version. So I can easily close. But on this app now, I think I didn't show you how to locate your back or front. So it is still very simple to do. So as you can see at the top we have the back side. So once you click on it, it automatically switch to the back, which of course we can always edit also. Do you understand? So it's very simple. This is a logo, like this is a business card that was designed so easily. Since you have your template already, it's very simple. No need of headache or disturbing yourself. Mind you, this logo is mine, so it's very simple if you have a logo, and you can always edit it also. Just find a way through. So this is done. Is a done deal. So I'll be expecting you guys assignments.